Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very basic Java entry question. When an object reference be cast into an interface reference. An object reference can be cast to an interface reference when the object implements the referenced interface. Basically, how to use an interface. The general concept is programming to an interface and not to an implementation. Why interface comes into picture and what are the advantages? If you are using interface, you can write your program in a generic way. You don't have to write your program to the specification. For example, I have an interface like this, account. So account interface is there, and there is a method called getBalance, and I have a class which is implementing this account interface. Of course, whenever you implement anything, you have to give the method for it, correct? And I have another class, debit account, which is again implementing an account interface, and it has to give the method, otherwise you will be getting a compile error. So I can actually create an object of savings account and push that object into account interface. So this is the advantage. So if you see left hand side, we can mention it as account. Okay, we can mention it as account, and we are pushing new objects here. Okay, so usually the traditional way is you will be writing like this. The traditional way, correct? Traditional way, this is how you do it. But if you see here, there is no advantage of if you are using like this, because you are writing program to an implementation. So you have to program to an interface so that it will be like generic way. For example, I have a method, get something with, I have a method like this, account ACC. I can pass any of this object. Okay, whether I can send account savings account or debit account, not at all a problem. If they are implementing a method like this, not at all a problem. So this is what programming to an interface means. Okay, so I can push this object or this object to this method. If I don't have such interface, I have to write like this, which is tightly coupled to savings account. Okay, then in this method I can't pass debit account because it is tightly coupled to savings account. Okay, so this is the advantage of using an interface in Java. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.